This video could change your life. In fact, it changed my life. Personally speaking, hair is a huge part of my identity. I'm Katharina and I have curly hair that are not always easy to manage. The way I treat my hair could affect on how I feel on so many different levels, both positively and negatively. I now mainly use them as a tool to boost my confidence, but it has not always been like that, and I have gone through a long journey of not enjoying how they looked. Ever since I made the big chop, I let them grow and let them do their natural. I will show you 4 of my most worn hairstyles that I used on my curly short hair. But before we get started, please like and subscribe as it really will help me. You will be shocked when I tell you that you only need a pretty looking elastic such as a scrunchie, maybe some pretty looking accessories for your hair that fit your skin and your hair color, a hair comb or a brush, and the best part of it, a spare minute. I want you to enjoy this video and even try it out by yourself. Always bearing in mind though that this is the time you invest in learning about your own hair, to refine your look and to optimize your overall beauty. I want to share the idea that there are multiple possibilities to style your hair and to make it look better for longer with less effort. The first hairstyle is all about embracing the curls that you own. For this one, I part my hair in the middle. And there's the thing, a clean part makes you look more put together and more elegant. And I kind of stopped the time here because I wanted to show you that it really takes just a spare minute. Now I'm leaving out 2 strands in the front and I will tell you why I do so later on. Then I take all the hair from my ears above and put them in a loose bun. And I make it loose because this looks best with curls in my opinion. Now I just take a cute hair accessory and fix the bun. And the thing I have noticed about my curly hair is that they're also very voluminous and I don't really have to be too strict styling them. 50 seconds later, you have a whole hairstyle. Now I want to tell you something not many people know about. There's something called the golden triangle. That's the area of the face that includes the eyes, the nose and the mouth. Styling your hair accordingly that you draw attention to this area of your face makes you look automatically more attractive. I feel for my face, these 2 strands of hair frame my face and make it draw attention to the golden triangle. Despite the next hairstyle being as simple, I will show you a way to still make it look even better. Don't forget to like this video. So we're just tying our hair into a low bun, pulling it a bit loose for more volume. With easy hairstyles like this, what you want to do is to elevate them through accessories. This is the time when you can rock statement pieces, but make it look still elegant and put together. You might inspire yourself by hairstyle celebrities or for instance people on Instagram wear. But let me give you an example. Ariana Grande is known for her high ponytail, but when I try to do the same look, it just doesn't look how I imagine it to look like. And here's why. Wearing a high ponytail creates contrast that draws attention to the opposite point of the face. Since my hair are quite puffy and short, they draw attention to the face, making the features look softer and not really in proportion. On the other hand, if I wear a lower ponytail and frame my face, I kind of draw away the attention from my soft-featured lower part of the face. This kind of hairstyle just suits me better in my opinion. Because the thing is, we want to find out what works for us, right? We want to work smarter, not harder. Now let me introduce to you my most used hairstyle. I wear this all the time when I want to look a bit more fancy. And it's so simple, everybody can do it. I part my hair at the side of the face, but you can also do a middle part. Then I take 2 strands. Let's just call them strand A and strand B. You put A over B. So now strand B is under strand A. You include some hair of the rest of the head, B over A. Now you take hair again and A over B. You make the same process over and over again. This twist you continue doing until you arrive at the back of your head. Clip it in place and you start with the other side. Again, A over B, take hair, B over A, take hair, A over B. Make sure to always keep it as tight as possible. Now you just tie it in place and you're done. This one is especially great for really short hair. I did this all the time. I refine the edges to draw attention to the golden triangle, and if you wear this hairstyle during the night, you also get great beachy waves. Try it out. I believe that it's a big reflection of self-love to be comfortable to rock your natural. Still, I do change my style once in a while, using hot hair tools for instance. We start from a side part again. Let's set the timer again. And I comb one side of my hair, very tight behind my ears. With a little twist, I set it in place with a nice hair accessory. For the rest of the hair, I just curl them with a straightening iron. Knowing what kind of tools, what kind of methods work best on you allows you to extend and to try new styles. Now I take single strands and just curl them in place to make it look more neat, and I'm done. This one takes me less than 3 minutes. To even look more elegant, I changed my outfit and my accessories, and personally speaking, it makes a world of a difference how I feel. I'm always curious to know more about feeling good through beauty, through practical tools that we can do in our morning routines. On some deeper levels, I feel inner beauty can be achieved through practice with outer beauty. I really commend you for being here with me and learning about your own hair, refine your own look. You should really be proud of that. I really appreciate you guys for taking this time with me. Go ahead and try those things out by yourself, and you will be surprised how this could eventually change your life. Not just in the way you look, but also in the way you feel, in the way you act. Please like the video if you enjoyed and comment if you want to see more of this kind. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.